Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my minifig club unboxing. Should be the February bag. I need 2 more stickers before I can fill out my little postcard and send it in for a freebie. So, let's see what I got. I'm just going to dump it all out here. So every month you get a magnet. So here's our little guy. Also have the matching sticker that will go on here. So next month it should be full and I could send that off. Then we also get a postcard that talks about like different challenges and things that they do in their Facebook page. And then a postcard with Lego pieces on it. Oh, that's cute. And then you also get a bigger version of the tiny sticker. So here are 3 bags. The gold bag has your piece of the month, which usually goes with the theme, so maybe it has something to do with motorcycles. We'll see. Ah, a little statue, like a little trophy. That's cute. A little tiny green one. Trying to focus on the background. There we go. Cute little guy. And then we have the yellow bag, which contains all the accessories. So we have some hair pieces. Batman mask, a star, binoculars, an axe, a gun. Also have a sword, steering wheel, and a blue gem. And those are always completely random, but you normally do get like weapons and hair pieces or hats or whatever with that. And then in here is enough pieces to make at least 3 minifigures, but you always get a couple little extras in there. So the heads, we have this guy. He's pretty cool looking. Also have just a plain Lego head. Ooh, this one's really cool. He's clear and he has like gold and black little robot type face. That one's really cool. And then the last head. It's got a sweet mustache. Then we have 3 leg pieces, solid blue, solid gray, and then half red, half black, and then 3 body pieces. So you get enough to make the 3 and then an extra head, basically. So here's the first one, little red suit, black outfit, kind of looks like a cop, and then this guy who's got a blue vest on. Very cool. Oh, he's like an EMT guy. So that is what I got this month. I've been getting this for almost 2 years, but I probably will go ahead and close it out when I finish this subscription that I already paid for, and maybe try a different Lego subscription. So if there's any good ones you guys want to see or have heard about, leave me a comment below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.